Hey guys, today we are doing our speed reviews for June. So when I'm filming this, it's the 1st of July. So we're gonna talk about everything that we tried out in June. We cherry so much this month, so let's just get into it. I'm just going in no random order. I'm just gonna grab from the pile and just go. So the first thing I have here is the Colourpop and Lizzie McGuire palette. I did a dedicated video on this one. I thought it was super cute. I love the packaging. I think it's stunning. And there's some really cute shades in here. I just think this is such a nice piece to have in my collection. Probably not something that I'll reach for super often, but I love Lizzie McGuire. Holds a very special place in my heart. And I think Colourpop shadows are really great across the board. So next I tried out these lashes from P. Louise. These are in Cue the Curl, and I actually love these so much. They are looking a bit worse for wear in there, but they are, I don't know how, but they're so dark. Like, I don't know if I've ever paid attention to that before, but these are really dark and just give such a nice look on the eye. When I wore these, I felt so pretty, and yeah, they were super easy to apply, looked really nice, and they were super comfortable, so loved them. I tried the Skid Bling from P. Louise. This one's in the shade Shining Through. I actually loved this so much. It was so blinding, one of like the most blinding highlighters that I've tried from them. And yeah, I love it. And also it's really cute. It says, "Don't get it twisted, you could never dull my shine." It's got that in the pen, which is super cute. Love the packaging, so cute. And yeah, I thought it looked really nice on the skin. I tried the P. Louise Baby or a Slice of Perfection palette. I thought this palette was so cute. Like, I don't know, it's a very basic colour story and there's not even really that many mattes and things, but the little slice of pizza and just the whole vibe of the palette is so cute. It worked really nicely. My only kind of critique is, yeah, that there's not a lot of variation in the mattes. It kind of looks like there is, but then once they're on the eye, you know, there's no super light shade and no super deep shade. So yeah, loved it. Once again, I did a video. I should have done videos on all of this stuff, so if you want to watch full reviews, then they should be up on the channel. This is the P. Louise Lip Drip in Pour It Up. It was nice. It's just like a gloss. It's like a goldy kind of shade. That one there. Pretty, felt comfortable on the lips, and yeah, just not much to say. It was just a gloss. This is the P. Louise Fall in Line Dual Ended Liner. This one is, I think it's Terracotta Tart and Tiramisu. We used the tiramisu end and I really liked it. It went on the eyes really nice and looked really nice, but then it had this weird little green pigment in it, but I honestly think it just hadn't been mixed up properly. Something weird is going on with this. Look at that, like, why? It just poured out onto my bloody pajama pants. Thank God these are old pajama pants. So yeah, I don't know, I really like this product and I've got a couple more of these, so I don't know why this one is so being weird, but yeah, you can see obviously, like, I don't know if it's just because I don't know if they're not shaken up properly or whatnot, but I actually do really like this product. I can't believe that just happened, that it all just dripped out. I don't know, it's weird. But yeah, I've got more of these and I like them, and like the formula's really nice, like they look really nice on the eyes, but I don't know why that one is so liquidy. Like, that hasn't happened before. Bloody oath, I'm so sad that that just went on my pajama pants. But yeah, I don't know, I feel like something weird is going on with the formula on that one. It still applies fine, but the other day I just noticed some like green pigment in it and it looked like it just hadn't been like blended properly. I mean, not blended, you know what I mean, like, what's the word, like, mixed up properly. I'm trying to get this out of my pajama pants. I don't know if it's gonna work. Just pouring like micellar water. I feel like I'm making it worse. Thank God though, because I was looking when I got dressed this morning, lol. When I got dressed into my pajamas this morning, I was looking at these pajamas, and then I was also looking at like new Peter Alexander ones that I've only worn a couple of times. And I decided on wearing these, which are my old ones from like Kmart or something, and they've got polar bears on them. Like, it's still cute, and I'm still annoyed that I've spilt stuff on it, but at least I was on my new Peter Alexander ones. Okay, I feel like I've just made that 10 times worse. I want to show you what that has done. I don't know how to like even, I'm gonna have to stand on my chair. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, look. I feel like it was obviously just that little spot there, and then I've tried to fix it, and I think I've made it 1,000 times worse. But P. Louise, you owe me new pajama pants. Tried out the lip kit from Kylie Cosmetics. This one was in the shade Posy K or Posy K. I don't know. Yeah, and it was a nice shade. I quite liked it. I feel like I can't swatch anything else on my hand because that's what my hand looks like now. But yeah, it was a pretty shade. It was just like a pinky, kind of like a deep pinky shade. But yeah, I do quite enjoy Kylie Cosmetics lip kits. I don't know if you can see it there. We also tried out the rest of the P. Louise palettes. These are the ones from the these are the You Give Me Butterflies 10-pan palettes, and we tried out the green, the yellow, and the blue. So the first one is Sparkle Spells, which is the blue one. Stunning, so pretty. Then we tried out Woodland Willow, which is the green one. I feel like this one's one of my favourites. I really like all of these palettes actually. I think my least favourite one is the pink one, but I love the rest of them. And then this one is Buttercup Blossom, which is like this yellow. So yeah, I liked those. I've got individual videos up on all of them. I think I had the same kind of opinion across the board that they were beautiful palettes, but just didn't have a lot of variety in like the way of colour, which obviously they're monotone palettes, but I feel like, you know, there wasn't enough like deep and then light shades. Like they were all kind of quite similar, especially when you put them in the eye. It's kind of hard to create variation, but they were beautiful palettes regardless. This is the Colourpop and Sailor Moon palette. I also did a dedicated video on this. I think this palette is absolutely stunning. So cute. This is probably similar to the Lizzie McGuire one in that I won't reach for it that much, but I'm glad to have it in my collection, and I think it is a really cute palette. And yeah, super pretty colour story. Probably just not something that I'll reach for very often. Tried out the Kylie Cosmetics concealer and foundation. I actually quite liked these. I really liked this concealer. I thought it was beautiful. It was really what's the word, like smoothing or something, I don't know. It was really pretty. I did like the foundation as well, but the concealer was the win for me out of those two, and I want to test them out a little bit more. Also tried out the She Glam foundation, and I was so pleasantly surprised with this. I thought it was absolutely stunning. This is the Skinfinite Hydrating Foundation. There's a video up on my channel of this one as well. And yeah, really pleasantly surprised. Tried out the MCO Miracle Flawless Setting Spray. It was nice. I didn't notice anything too like, what's the word, like groundbreaking about it, but it was a nice setting spray. This is the MCO No. 3 Fragrance Body Mist Dragon Fruit and Jasmine. I love this. I'm actually gonna... So, I went to Mecca the other day, and because I remember in the video I was saying I couldn't tell if this smelled like the one, because the Sol de Janeiro one that it's meant to be, because I haven't smelled the Sol de Janeiro one in a while. Bought the Sol de Janeiro one and it's actually identical. And I sprayed this like in that video, and it stayed like smelling on my dressing gown for I swear like a week after. So I feel like the lasting power was quite nice on it. And yeah, it's amazing. Love it. I won't lie though, I just sprayed so much of it and now it's in my lungs. Okay, also from MCO Beauty, I tried the Sherbet Glow Primer. I have yet to try this again because if you know, you know. This and this were like the biggest flops of the month. This, I don't know what the hell happened. This is probably going to go in the bin after it. For shits and gigs, I kind of want to try it again because like I just need to know what went wrong there. If you want to know what I'm talking about, go watch my MCO video, but basically it was like balling up on the skin. Never seen anything like it before. I was so confused. And yeah, the primer, I just didn't really like it that much. It felt really thick and yeah, I don't know, it just didn't really go very nicely under makeup. I don't know, these two were just weird for me, and I would really love to try them again, but I also just, I don't know, they were, yeah, not great. So if you want to see like an in-depth review on these, go watch that video. Also from MCO, we tried the Miracle Flawless Press Powder. I quite like this, I think. Mine's in the shade Light. And yeah, I feel like it's just quite a nice powder. So I don't mind that. Tried the Jelly Gloss. This is the Melon Crush. It smells so good. Yum. Yeah, it was really cute. It gives me big nostalgia of like, it looks like the lava lamp rulers and stuff back in the day. But yeah, I think this is nice, and I also really liked this one as well. This was the Fruity Lips Hydrating Oil, and this one also smelled like watermelon. Oh, they're so good. Love those. So yeah, I think I really quite like the MCO lip products. I feel like they're really nice. We also tried these two. I think I liked them. This is the MCO Instant Contour Cream Bronzer in light medium. I think I did like this actually. And I think I liked the blush as well, but maybe it wasn't like... I feel like I used too much or something. Like I remember something happening. Because yeah, it seems like it's a nice shade. I think it didn't match with the eye look I had on that day or something. I know that there was something. But yeah, I feel like they were nice products. We tried out the She Glam and Rick and Morty palette. The palette was it was nice for the price point. I don't love the colour story. It's not something that I'm probably going to reach for very often, if at all, to be honest. But I was really excited to try this out and just try out the brand. They have nice pigment, but they're a lot like softer shadows. Like they're not super intensely pigmented, which is nice for someone who just kind of wants the everyday kind of look. But yeah, it worked really well for the price point, and like in general it was really nice. I feel like I'm just used to more pigments that pack a bit more of a punch. I actually loved this. I thought this was so cute. This is the little Mr. Sanchez cream blush, and it's a brain. Like I just can't even, like I can't even. I also did a full collection review on the Rick and Morty stuff, but yeah, I think the shade is really cute. It worked well on the skin, so that was nice. This is the Rebuild a Morty setting powder. I don't know, I need to try this a bit more. I feel like I didn't have like, you know, any major thoughts on it, but yeah. This is the Rick gloss, which the packaging is just like unmatched, and also the gloss is really cute. It's just a nice like kind of clear gloss with blue shimmer and stuff in it, and it smells like grape, which is so good. Also tried out this Luxe Gloss from Colourpop. This is in the shade Gelato, and it was nice. It's like a burnt orangey kind of colour. And then the last thing that we tried out this month was the P. Louise Cheek of It Liquid Blush. This one's in the shade Baked Biscuit. I actually really loved this. It was such a nice colour, and I love the little gingerbread people on it. Got this one out of my advent calendar last year. But yeah, that was everything I tried for the month. Low points were definitely my MCOs. Sorry to say MCO. High points, I really loved the She Glam foundation. Loved these lashes. And I think the Kylie concealer, to be honest. I feel like those were my high points for this month. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!